after staying in so many swanky hotels in Goa and so many swanky Airbnbs, we kind of wanted that apartment that felt a little nice to live in. And thank you to Hike Hospitality for hooking us up with our apartment. This is the first time we are going to see it now. So whatever it is, I think it's our home
Yes.
for the next at least
3 months?
At least 3 months. Yeah, we are hoping to. Let's first show the apartment. Let's see
Alright.
what is it. Alright, it's on the second floor, so that's nice. It's the moment of truth.
Let me.
Do the honors.
Yes. Wow, even the AC is on.
It's nothing fancy, but that's how we wanted it, right? Like
Yes.
a little bare share apartment that we
Yes.
can.
Like half done, you
Yeah.
know.
So we're just going to check in and maybe set this place up.
Spark the place up.
Yeah, we need to spark this place up for
For
sure.
sure.
For sure. Okay, at least we have trees.
Wow, we have chairs also now.
Yeah.
And this is going to be a balcony.
So how do you feel? First reactions?
I like it.
Yeah.
I kind of like it.
So yeah, I think that's it for now. Let's quickly get all the luggage up. Let's then set up the apartment and show you guys in some time. We need to change the bulbs of the house because we can't do in white light.
में डालता कि हमारा सब कैमरा
हाँ सर, अरे आप भी आओ YouTube पे ऐसा क्या है?
आपको
Where are we going?
So we've just gotten out. I think we have finished setting up the home as much as we could in like half a day. There are just a few more things that we need to get from outside. And there are some very nice local stores here. We are staying in Para. We are going to go to this lady here who actually lives nearby. And she sells a lot of second-hand furniture, antique furniture. Just basically a lot of household decor items. So we are going to go to pick up some from her. And then we are going to go to the nursery because we kind of need the place to feel a little bit more alive. So yeah, that's the agenda for the day. I think that's it. We'll be done with that. Now that I know I'm not going back to Bombay, I miss Bombay for sure. Then you start realizing the small things like driving in Goa at night is sad because it's so dark. But I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining.
No complaints.
No complaints. This is the store I was talking about. Have like any tables or anything of that sort?
What size do you have? Low ones or high?
Lower, like a coffee table kind of a thing.
You can see those there under this table.
Right, like this.
These are coffee tables.
Okay.
Glass standard tables, but glass top.
Okay,
These
so
ones?
then-
Yeah.
Okay. And even for these, you put the glass and give. Or the mirror, whichever you want.
If you want it finished, we'll roll the full.
Even this is nice, no?
Yeah.
Even
gonna-
the small ones are pretty.
Yeah.
The white ones, no?
Like these ones.
Yeah, even these are nice, no? Why not?
Yeah. What we'll do is first let's get the plants and then we'll know which side. Alright, we'll be back in a bit. Yeah. Okay. It looked nice. The shop.
Yeah.
We've just found our nursery. It's Velankini Nursery in Para. And check it out. This will be our one-stop shop. Look at those ones.
Yeah.
I didn't know there's a chicken coop. Wow, yeah. Oh, you have ducks and chickens. I think let's take a round. Let's decide which ones we want and we'll show you the ones we finally got. So we finally found our house and that was the first hurdle
Yes.
crossed. And of course it was a very basic apartment, but we knew that it had scope and we could kind of make it our own. So the first couple of days, I think the first 3-4 days that we got here, we were only settling into our apartment. We had to make the apartment look a little bit more alive. So we went and got some plants. We went a little shopping for the apartment. We got our daily groceries. And yeah, I think that was a nicer way of knowing the area also around. So by the 4th day, we finally set up our apartment in a way that we could live in it for like 3 months at least. And it's a nice quaint gym, you know, it's not very fancy, but it's a nice community gym with a nice view of the coconut trees and the fields around. So we're just trying all the fitness centers around before we finally choose one. Basically our way of getting acquainted in the neighborhood, getting to know some people around. I think the best way to meet some people is at the gym.